So hello everyone, good day. So in this video, I will be discussing all about the power and roots of a complex number. Okay, so considering the complex number z is equal to r theta that is raised to a certain number n, certain power n. So the evaluation will be z raised to n is equal to r bar angle theta raised to n, and transform it to its equivalent trigonometric form, that is r times cosine theta plus I sine theta raised to n, that is equal to z raised to n is equal to r raised to n bar angle n theta. So binalikan lang natin yung power of a complex number because this can be used for us to solve for the roots of a complex number later on. Okay? So balikan lang po natin yung atin pong pagsosolve ng ating power of a complex number. So let's have again the example. Z is equal to 3 plus 2i raised to 12. Okay, so again, ang ating nakalagay again sa ating note is if the complex number in a rectangular form is raised to a power, to a certain power rather, so you just have to transform it to its equivalent polar form. Then, saka nyo siya isi-simplify or i-evaluate. Okay? So, in our sample, 3 plus 2i is equal to 3.61 angle 30, bar angle 33.69. So, ito yung kanyang polar form. Okay? So, therefore, we can already solve that using this form, that is equal to ang ating R or the modulus is equal to 3.61. So, this is raised to 12. For angle, N natin is 12 multiplied by 33.69. So, therefore, so 3.61 raised to 12, that is equal to 4898762. 762.931. Angle, yung atin pong 12, or angle times 33.69. That is equal to 404.28. So therefore, if we are going to transform this to its rectangular form, so yung ating 4898762 or 93 bar angle 404.28, that is equal to 3507203.10 plus 3420146.87. Okay? Yan. So now, let's proceed to the roots of a complex number. So to find the roots of a complex number daw, so you have to consider the nth root of it in the general polar or the general exponential. But the easier way kasi is using the polar form. So that is equal to z raised to 1 over n is equal to r raised to 1 over n or angle theta plus k360 over n, wherein the value of k is equal to the n minus 1. Doon natin malalaman kung ilan yung ating, kung ilan po yung ating k. Okay, so for example, ang atin pong root ay, hahanapin natin yung square root of 8. Okay, so dun sa square root of 8, so ang ibig sabihin dito, ang ating value ng k ay 0 and 1. Okay, kasi ito ay square root, this is 2. Okay, kung yan ay cube root of 8, so ang ating magiging k ay 0, 1, and 2. Okay? Yan. So let's have the sample problems. So we have here number 1. So letter A is equal to 4 plus 3i multiplied by 13 bar angle 48, that is naka-raise sa 5. Yan. So first, yan, gamitin natin yung atin pong form sa ating power of a complex number. But first, you have to simplify muna yung atin pong 4 plus 3i multiplied by 13 bar angle 48. Okay, that is equal to 5.81 plus 64.74 raised to 5. Okay? So therefore, again, we need to transform this rectangular form to its equivalent polar form that is equal to 65 bar angle 84.87. Okay? So, ang gagawin na natin dyan ay yung ating form na r raised to n, that is 65 raised to 5 bar angle 5 multiplied by 84.87. Okay, so we have here 65 raised to, napalaki pa lang ating numbers. Yan. So this is 1160290625. So pwede nyo naman siyang exponent na lamang kung ayaw ng mahaba. So angle of 5 times 84.87. So that is 424.35. Okay? Yan. So now, hindi pa ito yung ating final answer kasi we have to compute pa daw for the value of x that is equal to the square root of a. Okay? So we are going to look for the roots of a. Hanapin natin yung roots po nito. Yan. So the form that we have to use is ito. Ano? So r raised to 1 over n or angle theta plus k 360 over n. So isulat lang natin yung ating form. So z raised to 1 over n is equal to r raised to 1 over n bar angle theta plus k multiplied by 360 over n. Okay? So, since ito ay square root, so ibig sabihin ng ating value ng k is equal to 0 and 1. Okay? So, at k is equal to 0 muna. Yan. So, z is equal to yung ating r raised to 1 over n. That is, ang ating r is 1160290625 raised to 1 half. Ano? Angle theta natin na 424.35 plus 0 times 360 over n po natin is 2. Okay? Yan. So, solve na po. So, we have, again, square root of 116 or erase nyo sa 1 half. Ano? So, we have here 290,625. This is equal to 10,783.81 more angle. So, for 24.35, so since this is 0, so cancel na siya. So, divide by 2. That is equal to 107.83.81 or angle 212.175. Okay? If we wanted to transform to its equivalent rectangular form, that is equal to, using your calculator, 212.175, that is equal to negative 9127.69 minus 5742.45 I. Okay. Yan. So this is the value of our x, or the value of our square root of a. Yan. So tapos na ba siya? So hindi pa kasi ito pa lang yung first na root. So meron tayong dalawang roots kasi we have here k is equal to 0 and at k is equal to 1. Okay? So again, so same, we have here z is equal to 116.0290625 raised to 1 half. Angle 424.35 plus 1 times 360 over 2. So that is equal to, so same, so 10,783.81 bar angle. So we have 424.35 minus 360. That is equal to 64.35. So divided by 2, that is 10,780 3.81 per angle 32.175. Okay? So this is our answer. So transform it to its equivalent rectangular form. So we have 10,783.81 bar angle 32.175. That is equal to 9127.69 plus 5742.45 I. Okay? Yan. So next, so these are the roots of the square root of A. Okay? So dalawa po yung ating roots. So let's proceed to the next example. Yan.